Hey there, Guild Hunters. In this video, I'm going to show you how to track materials in Mistfall Hunter. There are over 100 materials, consumables, and pieces of gear to acquire in Mistfall Hunter, and keeping track of what you're looking for can become quite tedious once you reach the later stages of the game. So, to track a material, simply hover your mouse over the item you want to track and click the middle mouse button. This will add a flag to that item, and every time you encounter it during exploration, you'll see the same flag on the item, indicating that it's something you're currently looking for. A huge tip for using this feature is to open your camp menu and track all the missing materials required for your upgrades. This way, whenever you find one of these materials during a run, you'll immediately know that it's something you need to upgrade a specific part of your camp. You'll also want to head over to the auction house, select the brewing section, and track the 4 materials listed here. These 4 items are the materials needed for brewing in your tavern, which is extremely useful since brewing provides helpful buffs for your characters. Tracking these materials ahead of time makes it much easier to know what's actually worth picking up during your exploration runs. And that's how to track materials in Mistfall Hunter. If this helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.